The Supreme Court has upheld the verdict of the Madras High Court in the Puducherry MLAs nomination case. Supreme Court said that the appointment of 3 nominated MLAs by Lieutenant Governor Kiran Bedi and the Home Ministry is legitimate and the Puducherry government cannot interfere into this nomination. This comes as a setback to the Congress government in Puducherry who opposed these nominations by the centre.
Really, we are very happy. The judgment of the Supreme Court is in favor of us. And it is understood that the nomination of 3 nominated MLAs in Puducherry is being done as per the Constitution. The verdict of the High Court also said the same. But the Puducherry government and some MLAs belong to the Congress party refused to accept the verdict of the High Court. Then they went to the Supreme Court. And Supreme Court, now the Supreme Court also said that the appointment or the nomination is being done as per the Constitution. Now we are very, very happy that we are going to enter into the Assembly with the judgment of the Supreme Court. And everybody knows that the appointment or the nomination is being done as per the Constitution. Only the Congress people were not ready to accept it.
Meenakshi joins me on the phone line with more clarity on this issue. So Meenakshi, clearly now this is a setback for the government of Puducherry, which has been in collision course with the governor Kiran Bedi for those 3 appointments of MLAs. So could you tell us what were the objections to begin with and on what basis, on what grounds has the Supreme Court now decided that these appointments are legitimate?
Well, Afrida, this was indeed a major escalation point in Puducherry between Narayanaswamy and Kiran Bedi. And the Supreme Court today, the operative part of the ruling is this, that the Supreme Court has said that the appointment of 3 nominated MLAs by LG Kiran Bedi and Ministry of Home is legitimate, and it has said also this, that Puducherry government cannot interfere into this nomination matter. It was a major conflict point because Narayanaswamy and the Puducherry government at that point in time felt that Kiran Bedi was bypassing popular opinion by not consulting with the Puducherry popularly elected government. Clearly, like you correctly referred to, that is an argument which has not found resonance with the Supreme Court today, upholding the earlier verdict of the Madras High Court, where these 3 nominated MLAs to the Puducherry Assembly, their nomination by the LG and by the HMO, which is the Ministry of Home, was not considered to be bad in law.
All right. So that is clear coming from the top court that the governor of Puducherry, Kiran Bedi, did not exceed her brief in any way by making those appointments. Thanks for joining us, Meenakshi.